ONPASSIVE believes that our Go-founders are the heart and soul of the company. Today, we are delighted to get an opportunity to thank our founders, who support and motivate us. We are glad to share our event details and the way we enjoyed with our founders. Event name, Founder, People Behind Our Success. Event date the 12th of April 2020. Event location, ONPASSIVE Corporate Office, Hyderabad. As a company, we always treat the Go-founders as the key persons and driving ours on a success path. We are so excited that some of the Indian founders have visited ONPASSIVE Corporate Office, Hyderabad. We are delighted for hosting the event, Founder, People Behind Our Success. Event highlights. Indian founders are very impressed after visiting ONPASSIVE Corporate Office, Hyderabad. They even don't have words to describe how they feel about visiting the office. ONPASSIVE fantastically greeted the founders. ONPASSIVE founders did the inauguration by lighting the lamp, and the employees entertained the crowd through a flash mob. Founders lighting lamp. After that, our founders have watched the entire ONPASSIVE edifice. They all have gathered in an auditorium where founders have shared their beautiful experiences of visiting the office. And then they had a great webinar with ONPASSIVE CEO Mr. Ash Mafare. That was a fantastic day for all the employees. Employees have enjoyed the event along with founders. Even the founders have coordinated with the employees in dance. Here are some words stated by our founders about their feelings on ONPASSIVE. Neeraj Dalvi has stated that, I joined on August 15, 2019, as a founder, and what a wonderful day it is. I don't know how to thank you, Mr. Ash. Thank you, ONPASSIVE team, for arranging this, and we are in it to win it. Idris Modi, who is a specialist in herbal medicine, has stated that today is a great day. I came to know about ONPASSIVE AI with God's grace from one of my best friend. Now, feeling happy to be here as a founder and to meet all the wonderful founders. Dinesh Kotian, a motivational speaker, has stated that today, I have super motivated by seeing the pictures of an office building, and after coming here, we feel it real. I would glad to thank Mr. Jesse Sir, and today, I feel wonderful for meeting all the staff here, and definitely, I have charged up. Amar Chand Salath has stated that firstly, I should thank Mr. Ash Mafare for bringing beautiful ideas into reality platform. ONPASSIVE is not a system, it is a mission. Here, I have seen a different type of welcome. It is a beautiful mix of professionalism and a homely feeling. We achieve our mission.